food. Okay, today we will discuss about healthy and unhealthy food, and it is also called junk food. Healthy food and unhealthy food, and it is also called junk food. You may have listened this word junk food. So it is very dangerous. It is not good for our health. So what we are eating as a junk food, we should avoid. So today you will know about healthy food and unhealthy food. Okay, what is healthy food? Food that makes our body strong and which helps us to stay healthy is called healthy food. Okay, what is it? What we are eating that is good for, that should be good for our health. So if we are getting energy and strength from that food, that type of food is very good for our health. So here is written, food that makes our body strong and which helps us to stay healthy is called healthy food. So food always gives us energy and strength, and when we are eating healthy food, our immune system also fight with germs. So we should always prefer healthy food, and here is example of healthy food, and that is vegetables and fruits. We should prefer vegetables and fruits, and students eat every day. Eat every day in salad form, in cooked form, and fruits also in milkshake, and in juices form you can take. Okay, the uses of uh, vegetables and fruit is very important. So we should prefer fresh fruits and vegetables, and it's always available in our country, and this is very good for our body. So we should always prefer vegetables and fruits. Okay, another example of healthy food is egg, milk, fish and meat. This is a pattern of healthy food. Number one, egg. Yesterday I told you egg contains calcium, iron and protein. So it's a source of uh, protein and calcium. So we should eat a boiled egg in a day. Number two, milk. So students, some children avoid to drink milk. So we should drink a glass in a day. A glass of milk in a day we should drink. It also gives us energy and calcium, and calcium is very good for our teeth and bones. So these two sources, egg and milk, we should eat and we should take in a every day we should take because it's very good for our health. Number third, fish. Also it's a source of protein. Meat, okay, we get energy from meat because it contains iron. So fish and meat, egg and milk, it's a source of healthy food. So we should prefer these things and we should eat every day, like egg, milk, fish and meat. Okay, similarly, yesterday I told you about pulses. So it's a part of plant, and it's a part of you can say it's a grain. It's a part of grain, seed. We use as seed. So chapati makes from pulses. So every day we are eating chapati and we like chapati with vegetable or meat. So it's a good source of healthy food also. So children, those who are not eating chapati, we should eat chapati every day because it's a source of healthy food and it is easily available at home. Okay, second thing, unhealthy food and junk food. What is it? Unhealthy food and junk food. Some food items are not very healthy for our body. They are called junk food. Okay, what we are eating, if that stuff is not good for our body, so why we are eating that type of food? We should avoid that type of food. Some foods items are not very healthy, so we should always prefer healthy food, healthy stuff. What we are eating, we should be aware. Number two, eating food that is very sweet, salty, spicy or oily is unhealthy. Okay, food that is very sweet, salty, spicy or oily is unhealthy. Here you can see junk foods are sweets. All sweets are called junk food because it is too much sweet and salty. When you are eating different snacks, you are eating salt in a large quantity, so we should avoid to eat too much snacks like chips and spicy or oily things like samosas. We should not prefer this type of food because it is unhealthy and not good for your stomach. So here is one example of sweets. Okay, similarly, burger, cold drinks, chips and chocolates. Students, I am thinking about you because you will dislike today's lecture because it's a concept of unhealthy food and you all are eating this type of food every day. So you always prefer and like burger, cold drinks, chips and chocolates. It is available in market and we all prefer and we all like this type of food, but it is not good for our health, especially chocolate. It can damage your uh, teeth and it is not good for your bones also. So cold drinks also not good for our health, and burger, chips, because when you are eating this type of food uh, you avoid to eat healthy food. So you should prefer healthy food. All these things we should avoid. Okay, similarly, pizza and cake. One example of unhealthy and junk food is pizza and cake. So we should avoid this type food and we should prefer fresh fruits and vegetables, egg, milk, so many things you should eat. Okay, here are some tips for a healthy life. Some tips for a healthy life, and I'm going to share with you, that is eat organic food. Organic food, when we are eating a food in a uh, directly when we eat, like vegetables directly, sometimes we eat like carrot, radish, turnip, we direct eat this type of food and that is called organic food. Sleep enough because it's very good for your health. Play sports. You in these days you can play different games at home with your brother and sister and siblings. You can enjoy. So play different games because when you are playing, your blood circulation is uh, continue in your body. So you feel strength and you feel energy when you are playing. Breathe clean air. in what in the environment where you are living should be clean. So breathe in a clean air. And juicing, different fruits juice you can take in a day. So these are some tips for a healthy life. What are these? Eat organic food, sleep enough. Children, those who are not sleeping, those who are sleeping late night, you should sleep in time because you have to take class, online class next day. So sleep enough. It's very good for your health. When you are not sleeping properly, you feel uncomfortable. You cannot sit properly. Okay, play sports is also a good habit. You should play different sports, different games. Breathe clean air and juicing. All these are some tips of healthy life. Okay, some good eating habits. I'm going to share with you some good eating habits, and you should follow all these instructions. And students, keep in mind, all these things are very important for your good health, and you can also share these things with your brothers and your sisters. Always wash your hand before and after every meal. It is very good habit. Before and after. Before and after meal, you have to wash your hands with soap. Number 2, we should eat fresh and clean food. Okay, whatever you are eating, that should be fresh and clean. So always prefer fresh and clean food. Number 3, chew your food slowly and properly. When you are chewing your food properly, it means you are feeling that food. So you should feel whatever you are eating. So chew your food slowly and properly. Number 4, we should never waste food. Very important thing. We should never waste food. Number 5, we should eat more of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are very good for our health and easily available in our country. In these days, mangoes are available. So prefer always fruits and vegetables, because when you are eating healthy food, you are getting energy to do your work. Next, we should wash fruits and vegetables before cutting and eating. Okay, after buying fruits and vegetables, first you have to wash, and after that you can cut and eat. So this is very important. We should wash fruits and vegetables before cutting and eating, and it is very good habit. Cutting and before eating, you have to wash your fruit and vegetable. Last one, we should drink plenty of water every day. As I told you yesterday, drink at least 8 to 10 glass every day. So these are some good eating habits. Always remember these things and you can share with others. And the very important thing, before and after every meal, you have to wash your hands. Okay, when you are washing your hand, you are removing all germs from your hands. So always prefer to wash your hands before and after every meal. Hopefully you all have learned about these instructions and about these rules. Okay, today we are going to do work page number 19. Okay, you may open page number 19. Page number 19, and students, hold your pencils. Write here homework HW. You can write. Activity A is name the following food items, color the picture, put a tick by the food you like to eat. Okay, first of all, you will write the food items name. What are the name of these foods? After that, color the picture. After this class, you will color and put a tick by the food you like to eat. Okay, which food is your favorite? You will tick. First of all, you will write food item name. Number 2, after that, coloring. And number 3, you will tick your favorite food. Now I am going to read what are these foods. Number 1, cherry. Number 2, carrot. Number 3, mango. Number 4, fish. Next, cheese, apple, egg, milk, butter. Okay, here is goat, but we get mutton from goat, and we get chicken from hen, and ice cream. So you will color all the pictures, and after that you will pick your favorite food. Okay, activity B is complete these sentences. Okay, this is page number 19, activity B. Complete these sentences. Number 1, for breakfast, I like to eat. Whatever you like to eat, you will write here. Like if you are eating rice, bread, egg, milk, sandwich, what you are eating in the morning, you will write here. For breakfast, I like to eat. It's depend on you. What is your favorite thing? You will write here. Okay, number 2, for dinner, I like to eat. Okay, what are you eating in a dinner? So here you will write, like you can write biryani, kadai, and chapati, vegetable. So many things you can write here. Number 3, for lunch, I like to eat. Okay, what do you like to eat in a lunch? So you will write here, like chapati, rice, palau, different food items you can write. So 3 things you will write: breakfast, dinner, and lunch. Okay, you will write your own choice, like breakfast, whatever you want to eat, dinner, and lunch. And hopefully you all have understood about these work pages and these previous slides. So tomorrow we will do page number 20 from your book, and we will revise this lesson again. Thank you.